You're working out, eating healthy, and still feel tired, softer around the midsection, and not quite yourself. If you're wondering how to increase testosterone naturally without sketchy shortcuts, stay with me, because today I'll show you what actually moves the needle, what wastes your time, and the exact plan that helps you get more testosterone safely and sustainably. Low testosterone can feel like a fog. Low energy, poor sleep, stubborn belly fat, slower recovery, and a frustrating drop in focus and drive. You've probably searched how to get more testosterone, testosterone booster foods, or even testosterone top, and found conflicting advice. Let's cut through the noise with a step-by-step, science-grounded framework that busy people can actually follow. At Healthy Hub, we test simple, sustainable protocols: sleep, training, nutrition, and tech that actually help you increase testosterone naturally. In this video, you'll get the 6 biggest testosterone killers you can fix this week, 5 high-impact habits that elevate T, a realistic weekly routine, and 2 smart tools I've tested that support energy and sleep without gimmicks. At the end, I'll show you how to stack these into a 14-day reset. First, the 6 testosterone killers you can fix this week. Number 1, chronic sleep debt. Less than 7 hours per night is a fast track to lower testosterone. 1 week of sleep restriction can reduce testosterone by double digits. Fix starts tonight. Number 2, ultra-processed health foods. Granola bars, sugary smoothies, and constant snacking spike insulin and blunt fat loss. Bad combination for testosterone. Number 3, all cardio, no muscle. Marathons of cardio with minimal resistance training erode lean mass. Less muscle means lower resting testosterone and worse body composition. Number 4, alcohol timing. Nightly drinks crush sleep quality, impair recovery, and can depress testosterone, especially within 3 to 4 hours of bedtime. Number 5, low sunlight and low steps. Sedentary days and indoor life hammer circadian rhythm. Poor rhythm leads to poor sleep, which leads to poor testosterone. Number 6, chronic stress with no off switch. All gas, no brakes. Elevated cortisol competes with your body's ability to optimize testosterone. Now, the 5 high-impact levers to increase testosterone naturally. 1, sleep like it matters. Target 7.5 to 8.5 hours with a fixed wake time. Keep the bedroom dark and cool. Stop screens 60 minutes before bed. If your mind races at night or you wake frequently, consider Sleep Lean. It's a gentle nighttime stack designed to support relaxation and deeper sleep architecture. There's a limited discount link in the description. 2, lift to build. 3 sessions per week minimum. Focus on compound movements like squats, deadlifts, presses, and rows. Keep sessions 45 to 60 minutes, progress gradually, and stop 1 to 2 reps shy of failure. On off days, walk. 3, protein and whole foods. Aim for 0.8 to 1.0 gram of protein per pound of target body weight. Build meals around eggs, fish, lean meats, Greek yogurt, and beans. Include testosterone booster foods regularly. Eggs for cholesterol as a precursor, fatty fish for omega-3s, shellfish for zinc. Beef or lamb for hemi-iron, and zinc extra virgin olive oil, measured portions of nuts, avocados, pomegranate, dark leafy greens, and cacao. 4, sunlight, steps, and circadian rhythm. Get morning light for 5 to 10 minutes. Hit 8 to 10,000 steps per day, ideally with a short walk after meals. 5, targeted support. Optional, not magical. Consider Mitolyn to support cellular energy and mitochondrial function. Higher daily energy means better training consistency, higher non-exercise movement, and better adherence, all of which indirectly help a healthy testosterone environment. There's a link with a discount in the description. Keep expectations real. Supplements support a strong foundation. They don't replace it. What should you ignore? Random testosterone top hacks that ignore sleep and training. Over-relying on miracle pills while diet, stress, and bedtime are chaos. And extreme low-fat diets. Testosterone requires adequate dietary fats. Let's look at a simple mini case study. Here are the 14-day results from a practical protocol. 8 to 10,000 steps, 3 full-body lifts weekly, lights out 30 minutes earlier, and a consistent high-protein, whole food plan. Reported outcomes included fewer afternoon energy crashes, better morning alertness, improved workout performance, and reduced late-night snacking. People who layered Sleep-Lean reported shorter time to fall asleep and fewer awakenings. Those who added Mitolyn reported better daytime energy and consistency with training and walking. Recap: fix sleep first, and consider Sleep-Lean if you struggle with falling or staying asleep. Lift 3 days per week and walk daily. Eat a protein-forward, whole food diet and include testosterone booster foods. Get morning light and align your day with your natural rhythm. If you want an energy assist, consider Mitolyn. Do this for 14 days and track mood, energy, and workout performance. You'll feel the difference. If you're serious about how to increase testosterone naturally, grab the 14-day T-Reset checklist linked below. You will also find limited discounts for Sleep-Lean and Mitolyn in the description. Use them if you need support with sleep and daytime energy. Next up, I'm testing the most popular testosterone booster foods in a real-world, 2-week meal plan to see what actually changes body composition and recovery. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Affiliate disclosure: this video contains affiliate links. If you purchase through them, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you.